20 medical transcription jobs at home. Do you want to work from home and earn money? Many people do medical transcription jobs from home. They type what doctors say and get paid. Let me tell you 20 simple stories of real people working for real companies. After watch this video to end, you can choose any of the companies mentioned here and start working with them online from home. Please subscribe to this channel. 1. Rev Emma works from home with a company called Reverend. She types doctor notes while her baby sleeps. 2. TranscribeMe James is a student. He works part-time from home for online platform called TranscribeMe. He types short audio files in his bedroom. 3. iMedX Lila used to be a nurse. Now she works from home for online platform called iMedX. She types medical reports for hospitals. 4. M. Modal Carlos works for M. Modal from his living room. He listens to doctors and types their reports. 5. Nuance. May works for a company called Nuance. She starts work after breakfast when the house is quiet. 6. Tigerfish platform Arjun wants freedom, so he works on a platform called Tigerfish from his study room. He enjoys working alone. 7. Athrion Grace works for Athrion in the afternoon. She finishes house chores first, then types medical files. 8. SpeakRite Zara works from home with SpeakRite. She wears headphones and types fast. 9. Avico Daniel lives in a small flat and works at night for Avico Company. He likes the quiet nighttime. 10. Accutrain Tina works in the early morning for Accutrain Company. She sits on her balcony and enjoys the fresh air. 11. Fast Chart platform Omar learned about medical terms and joined Fast Chart Plus THE. He works from his bedroom. 12. Terra Nova Nina is a single mom. She works for Terra Nova after her kids sleep. She enjoys the quiet nights. 13. Absolute Transcription. Tom works with Absolute Transcription. He likes to set his own hours. 14. Pacific Transcription. Ava types medical files for Pacific Transcription. She hears birds outside while she works. 15. MedScribe Leo works from his couch with MedScribe. He listens to soft music while he types. 16. BabbleType. Chloe works for BabbleType. She loves flexible hours and works with her cat nearby. 17. Dictate Express Raj types clear reports for doctors. He works with Dictate Express. 18. Verilog Kim works for Verilog Platform. She listens to real doctor-patient conversations and types them. 19. Same-day transcriptions. Benita loves fast work and quick pay from same-day transcriptions. Same Day is transcription platform to earn fast. 20. Precision Transcription. Noah lives in a small cabin and works with a company called Precision Transcription. He enjoys the peaceful view. All these people work from home with real companies. They type medical files and earn money every week. You can do this too. Start today and build your future from home. Like, subscribe, and share for more simple work from home ideas.